Hello class, we are going to discuss a new topic, acid-base indicators. Today we are going to discuss a new topic, acid-base indicators. Those chemical substances which are used to indicate the presence of a acid or a base are known as acid-base indicators. Those chemical substances which are used to indicate the presence of an acid or a base are called acid base indicators. Acid base indicator are of two types. First one is a natural indicators and another one is a synthetic indicator. Natural indicators are those indicators which are present in nature. Synthetic indicator are those chemical substance which are used to indicate the presence of an acid or base is made up of man-made. Synthetic indicator are those chemical substances which are man-made. The example of acid-base indicator are as follow. First example of acid-base indicator is a litmus solution. First example of acid-base indicator is a litmus solution. Litmus solution is a natural dye. Its neutral solutions are purple in color. Litmus solution are natural dye. Litmus solution is a natural dye. Its neutral solution is purple in color. It is extracted from lichen. Lichen is a plant of Thallophyta group. It is a connecting link between algae and fungi. Lichen behave as a connecting link between algae and fungi. Litmus solution are of two types. First one is a blue litmus, another one is a red litmus. When blue litmus treated with acid, an acid turns into red. When red litmus treated with base, it turns into blue in color. Now the second example of acid base indicator is phenolphthalein. The second example of acid base indicator is phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein is a synthetic dye, but in case of litmus solution it is a natural dye. Litmus solution is a natural dye, but phenolphthalein is a synthetic dye. Its neutral solution is colorless. When it treated with acid, give remain colorless. When phenolphthalein treated with acids remain colorless. But in case of base, when it treated with base, or we can say that when it treated with base, it gives pink color. When it treated with base, it gives pink color. Now, the third example of acid base indicator is methyl orange. The third example of acid base indicator is methyl orange. It is also a synthetic dye. Its neutral solution is orange in color. It gives red color when treated with acid. It gives red color when treated with acid, but it gives yellow color when treated with base. Now, the last example of acid base indicator is natural indicators. Some other natural indicators are red cabbage leaves, turmeric, color petals of some flower, like hydrangea, which are used to indicate the presence of acid or base in a given solution. Thank you.